Hey, welcome everyone. This is me doing an unboxing of the Google Nest Hub 2. This is the second generation Nest Hub that just recently released. It's pretty much similar to the original Hub. You have the same capabilities of Google Assistant. You can use some services such as Netflix casting, Spotify casting, whatnot. So you can cast media to this little smart display. But the key selling point difference here are two things. One is that the base has been increased by 50% over the first generation. The other key thing is that this has sleep tracking technology. So it can check on how you're doing sleep-wise. How many hours did you sleep? Were you coughing at night? Were you snoring at night? So pretty interesting to see how this will work in my testing. A link to the review will be in the video description. Because the most interesting aspect of this is that it has no camera. So Google is using sensors to accomplish this. So it's pretty interesting. I'm wondering how good or bad it'll be. So just kind of looking over, that must be the sensor at the front, and it looks like a mute switch at the back. Really compact, just like the first one. Soft coating at the bottom, so if you want to put this on like a glass surface, it shouldn't scratch anything. Very similar to the original version, very compact. So going over the rest of the contents of the box, we'll go over through the documentation next. This is like a quick start guide, but in my experience with Google smart display devices, they usually tell you the setup instructions on the screen itself. Literally, as you plug it in, it'll power up until you had to set it up. So this is just information regarding privacy, which is a major concern, right? Telling you how to mute the microphone. And again, there's no camera on this. So a lot of smart displays that have cameras, it has like a shutter you can close. This one does not. I think Google really wants to emphasize and have people put this in their room. A better sense of security that even with, camera with a shutter still might put some people off, but having no camera at all should be fine. So here's the power cable. No USB fitting, just a regular power port. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So again, I'll link to the reviews in the video description, as well as my social links. Be sure to hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.